until 4:45 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
I'm gonna see if I can get it on WVIA.
Don't understand why people aren't taking the jobs. Well, workers, they're
60 miles per hour with gusts and
So
hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Falls, Muhlenberg, Dunmore, Kingston, Plains, Old Forge, Pittston, and Taylor. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m.
Yes! I wonder if WVIA is gonna activate. What about channel 5, actually? Nope, they didn't activate. Man, I was hoping they would activate.
clearly a flaw in
Okay, something tells me WVIA is not gonna activate. Like, at all. This is for Lackawanna, though. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean?